These are my contents. My first topic is bitwise operator, in which the Verilog bitwise operators are used to perform a bit by bit operation on one or two inputs. They take each bit individually and perform a Boolean algebra operation with the other inputs. The bitwise operation can operate on either a scalar, that is single bit inputs, or vector, that is multiple bit inputs. If one input is not as long as the other, it will automatically be left extended with zeros to match the length of the other inputs. Here Z is treated as X in bitwise operation. So these are the operators bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise negations, and bitwise XNOR, in which number of operands, all of these are 2 except bitwise negation, it has only 1 operands. So this is my example with codes. I take simulation codes in which I take 4 2-bit inputs. Here I take 2 known value and here I take 2 unknown value, and all the bitwise operations perform in this examples, like bitwise AND, that is I, and the value of I is this and the value of I2 is this, and the AND operation, uh, result of AND operation is this. So in this case I also perform operation on unknown value. So here I take I1 and I2 both are unknown, and uh, operation perform it bitwise AND operation, like 1 and with 0 gives 0, x and with x produce x, like that. And next topic is logical operators. So logical operators are take variable or expression as operands and its eval evaluate to 0 1 or x value as output. There are 3 operators: logical AND, logical OR, and logical negation. In this, 2 operands are available, and for negation there is only one operand. So in this case, like the result of logical AND is 1 or true when both its operands are true or non-zero, and the results of logical OR is 1 or true when either of its operands are true or non-zero. If either of the operands is unknown, then the result will be unknown as well. The logical negation of here operator will convert non-zero to or true operands into 0 and 0 or false operand into 1, and x will as remain as x. So here I take one example of logical operation in which I take 4-bit to input number and perform this operation, and this is the outputs. Here I take 2 known value and 2 unknown value, and all the operation are performed. These are the outputs. And after that, my this topic is unary operators, in which uh, like unary operator is operator that takes single operand in an expression or a statement. In this, like two arithmetic operation are unary, like plus, unary minus. So in this case, a any operand bit value is unknown value in arithmetic case, then the entire result value is x, and register data type are used as unsigned value. In this case, negative number are stored in 2's complement form. So And reduction operators are also known as unary operators because it has only one operands, like here reduction and reduction or XOR, and bitwise negation and logical negation are also known as unary operator. In logical negation, it converts non-zero value to zero and vice versa. But in case of bitwise, it inverts all the bits. So these are my codes and these are outputs. Here I take reduction operator and or, and this is the output, like all the bits, like it reduction and 0 and with 1 and with 1 and with 0. This gives 0 value. In case of, like I take here unknown value, here like I use take reduction or, so 1 or with x, that is because of presence of 1 in this case, automatically output is 1. So these are my